we're going to use the Lego robot to build a line follower. So a black line on the table surface or on the floor, light colored surface, there's a dark line. We're going to use the robot to follow that dark line, whether it's a straight line or even if it was a curve, it'll be able to handle it. And we're going to need the color sensor, we're going to use a loop, and we're going to use the switch instruction. First, I drop a loop on here. We want this to run infinity number of times. The next instruction inside the loop is we're going to use a switch, and we're going to check the condition of the color sensor. We're going to compare it to a specific color. The default color is always red when you drop one of these on here. So we're going to change that, turn that off, and we're going to look for black. If it does see black, what we want to do is run one motor, and I'm going to turn the power down a bit. And the other motor we want to shut off. It's very important that this motor is set up not for rotation or for turns or time or anything, but it's just set on. So as long as this sees black, this thing could spin around in a circle forever with one motor turning and the other one not turning. We've got a switch in for if it sees dark. We could program this for if it sees light on here. For clarity's sake, for asking for assistance, for sharing screenshots with your instructor, let's do this a little less efficiently, but for clarity. We'll drop in a second switch. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to check to see what happens if that color sensor does not see black. Color sensor, compare to a specific color, not red. Drop the red. For black, only this time, if it doesn't see black, what we'll do is we'll run the other motor. What will happen here is this first one will be set to 0. The second one, we'll drop it down to 15. And again, rather than run it for a set number of degrees or rotations, we're going to just set this to on. And this is the code for our line follower. If it sees black, one motor runs, the other's off. If it doesn't see black, the second motor is on and the first one's off. And it's just going to repeat. Let's see what this does.